Hey everybody, it's Starfreeze here, and today we're going to open up some Sword and Shield and some evolutions. If you find that exciting, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to sub for your chance to win this card at 100 subs. And we'll get this video started. Thanks for everyone for tuning in today. I hope everybody's having a great day. We have a code card. We have Leaf Energy, Ordinary Rod, Beatty, Hitmonlee, Clobbopus, Cottony, Chewtle, Rhyhorn, Rookity, Quillfish Reverse, and a Copperjaw Holographic. Moving on to the next pack. Go card. Lightning Energy, Air Balloon, Pokekid, Heatmore, Chinchou, Krabby, Mincino, Galarian Ponyta, Cottony, Galarian Ponyta Reverse, and a Morpeko VMAX. A very good pull. See if you can keep up the momentum. Code card. We have a Fighting Energy, Hitmonchan, Galarian Linoone, Seaking, Roselia, Ghastly, Pononard, Sizzlepede, Yamper, Reverse Holo Pikachu, and a Sandaconda non-holographic. Moving on to the final pack of Sword and Shield. Code card. Fire Energy, Energy Search, Quick Ball, Galvantula, Hoot Hoot, Pinchurin, Vulpix, Nickit, Baltoy, Reverse Holo Flacky, and a Bolt Hunt holographic. Moving on to evolutions. Let's see if we can pull one of the Charizards. There's plenty of them in this set. And code card. 1, 2, 3. Porygon, Full Heal, Poliwhirl, Ponyta, Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, a Magmar Reverse Holo, and a Farfetch'd non-holographic. Code card. Devolution Spray, Nidorino, Slowbro Spirit Link, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Misty's Determination Reverse, and a Dugtrio. Come on, Charizard print. Produce us some magic. Code card. Switch, Nidorino, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Magikarp, Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela, Reverse Holo Metal Energy, and a Clefairy holographic. And the final pack of today. Can we do it? Can we pull that Charizard? Surfing Pikachu, Misty's Determination, Porygon, Caterpie, Drowsy, Magikarp, Electric Buzz, Rattata, Reverse Holo Clefairy, and a Pidgeot EX. Not a Charizard, still a good card nonetheless. And a pretty good back, it looks. Centering's a little off. There's a very little bit of whitening. Not really a... Could be a PSA 9. Alright guys. I thank you for tuning in. And I'll catch you tomorrow.